If you've ever looked at the price of store-bought almond or oat milk and wondered why you're paying so much for something that's mostly water, you're definitely not alone. And if you've tried making plant-based milk at home, you probably know it can be messy, time-consuming, and honestly not worth the effort. But what if one machine could handle the entire process automatically in just a few minutes? Today we're taking a closer look at the MioMat 8in1 plant-based milk maker, a kitchen appliance designed for anyone who wants fresh, homemade plant milk without the hassle. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, trying to eat healthier, or simply looking to save money over time, this machine promises to make everything from almond milk and oat milk to soy milk, coconut milk, soups, smoothies, porridges, and purées, all with the touch of a button. If you'd like to check the latest price or availability, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the MioMat feels like a product that was designed for everyday kitchens rather than commercial use. It has a clean, modern appearance that doesn't take up too much counter space, and the stainless steel interior gives it a premium feel compared to many plastic alternatives. That food-grade 304 stainless steel construction isn't just about looks, either. It helps with durability, makes cleaning easier, and gives you confidence that your ingredients stay in contact with quality materials. The double-wall insulation is another nice touch because it keeps the outside cooler when preparing hot recipes while also reducing noise compared to a traditional blender. Using the MioMat is surprisingly straightforward. You simply add your ingredients, pour in water, choose the appropriate program, and let the machine do the rest. There's no soaking, constant stirring, or standing over the stove wondering if something is burning. The built-in heating system works differently depending on what you're making. For nuts and seeds, it gently softens them before blending to create a smoother texture. For grains and legumes like oats or soybeans, it cooks them properly for better digestion before processing everything into a rich, creamy drink. That means the final result tastes fresher than many packaged options, and you know exactly what's going into your milk because you're choosing every ingredient yourself. One thing I really like is how versatile this machine is. It's easy to focus on the milk-making features, but it can also prepare vegetable soups, breakfast porridges, fruit smoothies, and even purées. Instead of buying multiple kitchen appliances, you're getting one machine that handles several daily cooking tasks. If you're someone who enjoys healthy meal prep or wants quick homemade breakfasts, that extra flexibility adds real value. Cleaning is often the biggest concern with appliances like this, but thankfully, the MioMat keeps things relatively simple. Since everything happens inside one stainless steel container, cleanup is much less frustrating than using a blender, saucepan, and separate strainer. You'll still need to rinse it soon after use, especially after thicker recipes, but overall, the maintenance is easy enough that it doesn't become a chore. Of course, no product is perfect. The biggest advantage is convenience. You save time while avoiding preservatives, added sugars, and unnecessary ingredients found in many store-bought plant milks. The operation is quieter than expected, the controls are beginner-friendly, and the recipe book helps you get started immediately. On the downside, this isn't the cheapest milk maker available, and because it prepares around 40 ounces per batch, larger families may find themselves running multiple cycles if everyone drinks plant milk regularly. It's also designed for homemade freshness, so you'll still need to refrigerate your milk and consume it within a few days. Compared to similarly priced plant milk makers, the MioMat stands out because it combines multiple cooking functions instead of focusing only on milk. Many competitors require extra filtering, additional cooking, or separate blending steps. MioMat simplifies the process into one automated cycle while offering durable stainless steel construction and a solid 2-year warranty. If versatility matters as much as convenience, it offers excellent overall value for the price. So, is the MioMat worth buying? If you're regularly purchasing almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, or other dairy alternatives and want complete control over ingredients while reducing long-term grocery costs, it's a very compelling option. It's especially well-suited for health-conscious families, vegans, and anyone trying to build healthier eating habits at home. However, if you only drink plant milk occasionally, a simpler blender might still be enough for your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you spend your money wisely. And if you're interested in making fresher, healthier plant-based drinks at home with less effort, Check out the link in the description while it's available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.